Hello to dear friends, followers, listeners, who all hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today going to show you awesome secrets about boom and crash. So before starting, I will request please use money management always. This video is totally about boom and crash and without any indicator, without any strategy, how we make a profit from boom and crash is using this strategy. This strategy is totally based on a price action. What is price action? I am going to discuss support and resistance, which is very important part in trading, and the base of price action, support and resistance. How actually support and resistance works, I am going to teach you guys in this video, so please watch this video till end, don't skip. Okay, and if you feel bored, please give a speed up and watch this video fully and understand all points. Okay, a lot of people in boom and crash doing trading boom and crash, they don't make profit, they make losses because they always try to catch spikes, they always try to scalp boom and crash in buy and sell direction boom and crash. Okay, and once spike appears, they face losses, and cause of emotions and cause of no knowledge, they exit from market with loss. Okay, so please first of all try to control your emotions, okay, and try to analyze the market. So the way I'm going to teach you, this way will help you to easily understand where market will go, what will be the next price momentum. Okay, so first of all we just need to click on our setting. Here is the setting. Okay, go to candlestick, just simply click on a line chart. Okay, this is an easy method, and look here, that line chart is appeared. Now how to draw support and resistance line. First of all, I will request you please choose M15 time frame. Okay, M15 time frame. Okay, and draw support and resistance. Now first of all, as you all guys know that support and resistance, and this is the basic rule of support and resistance, we just need three touches. Okay, and once we have three touches, it means we have a strong support and resistance. So let me show you. Here we just put the three touches. Look at the first touch here, and look here, this confirmation. Okay, and the second touch here. Okay guys, and look here, the cross our breakout. This is our last touch, 3. Okay, we have one more touch also here. Okay guys, and look here how this strong support and resistance lines. Now this resistance is become very powerful and very good verified on M15 time frame, not any other time frame. We analyzing on M15 is for scalping. And now look here, that market continuously is going downward. Okay, a downward is mean that selling. Look here, that market, now we need to analyze using support and resistance where market will go next. Okay, so first of all we just need to click on what, look here, that we just face that market is going way downward. Okay, in the selling, and that here is the resistance means that market will never go more down. So what we need to do, we just need to follow this resistance and wait for a pullback, and once that market go here a pullback, will go for and buy. If in case that market cross this line, across this area and go down, so it's mean go for sale. Okay, so we just need to enter for sale in case of breakout of this resistance. And once this resistance break, it means this is support, and once that market go upwards, so it's mean that market is going to give us a buy opportunity. Okay guys, so here is the clear point. Now we understood after analyzing using resistance that market will go where. So we have a clear identified an entry. So just need to be patient. Look here, the candlestick market is going down. Okay, that market is going down, and a lot of people will enter here a spike. Okay, for a spike, so it's the point of spike, no problem, you can enter for spike because this is an verified resistance area, and maybe market pull back from this point. Okay, and we catch a spike. Okay guys, so if you want to enter here for a spike, you can easily, because we have a strong, look here, we have a strong reason because that market is rejecting this is the resistance, and maybe that market give a pullback and go upward. So because of that, maybe we enter for an buy. Okay guys, here is the buy position. Okay, if in case market continuously going start going down after breakout of this resistance mean that market will go down for selling, not for buying. Okay, if you want to enter and a spike on resistance, you just need to enter here your trade. Okay guys, at this point enter your trade. Look at arrow, enter your trade here and wait for a spike. If that spike after breakout never happened and breakout here, once that market after 3 touch crossed, okay, once that market crossed below 3 touch and broken the resistance, which means that market will never go up and there is no any spike, so enter for sell position. Okay guys, so you just need to be patient. Okay, so what will be if in case we receive the buy a spike and a buy, so how we confirm where will be the buy next? So here is 3 touches. Okay guys, so I'm gonna draw this one. Okay, look here. So what will be the height of spikes in buy? Okay, so first touch, look here, the very closer touch, one, and this one is the second touch. Okay guys, and this one is the third touch. Okay guys, okay, and this is the breakout for a buy pullback. Okay, and here is the fourth touch. This is the verified support area. So in case that market give us a spike, so we will wait for take profit here at this point. Once that market come here, we'll wait for a pullback. Maybe market go back to here, and maybe a breakout happen. Maybe after spike continuously more and broke this support area. Okay, and once that market broke this support area, so it's mean that market will go more up. Okay, so you have to enter for a buy after this pullback, and once a spike appear here till this point, look guys, till this point hold your position. This is your support area and this is your take profit, and once that market cross this support area, go for long buy position and hold your position, don't set any take profit. Okay, just close your trade half part. Okay, and wait for more pips. Okay guys, and once you draw the support and resistance, you will clearly understand where market will go, what will be the direction of a market. Please use money management, control your emotion in trading. Okay, and with money management you will make, always use support and resistance. Don't trade by guess, don't follow others, just analyze the market and make awesome profit using this strategy. This is very easy and very famous strategy, and you guys will make awesome pips using this strategy. I hope you guys understand. If still have any question, please check this video description, contact with us, we are here to help you. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you guys receive latest videos notification. Thank you, have a good day.